din po kayo noon sa mga biyaya ko na
Lord, may your ways known to me. Lord, teach me your paths. So let's just honor him and just offer everything to him because he deserves all the glory. Amen. Everything has been true. Use it for your glory. Lord, I offer my days.
Sama, purihin natin siya. Purihin at sama-sama. Puritan natin siya.
lapit lang daw kayo sa harapan, malabo yung screen.